This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power and basic connections. This tells you if the problem is electrical or signal related. Once powered, examine the coax and F connectors for kinks, corrosion, or loose fittings, because a bad cable often mimics a no-signal fault. While you check hardware, note the dish model and your target satellite coordinates so you can confirm alignment later. If you find obvious damage, you can swap the cable now. Otherwise, proceed to alignment and signal testing steps. You'll now measure and refine alignment using the receiver's signal meter or a handheld finder, because accurate feedback is the only way to lock the dish. First, loosen mounts just enough to move the dish, then make slow azimuth adjustments until the meter rises, followed by careful elevation tweaks to maximize strength, and finally rotate the LNB skew for optimal polarity. Once the meter peaks, tighten clamps incrementally and recheck the signal after each small tightening to ensure alignment hasn't shifted. You finish by securing connections, running the receiver's full signal test, and performing a channel scan to confirm service. This verifies both signal and configuration. If you still see no signal, swap in a known good coax or test another LNB or receiver to isolate the faulty component. Make sure there are no new obstructions like branches, and remember weather can block reception temporarily. If the signal is weak but present, repeat fine adjustments. If absent after swaps, consider professional inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.